Tonight, the nation will be watching as members of Congress use primetime television to share details of the attack on the U.S. Capitol a year and a half ago.
More than 1,000 people have been interviewed. Tonight, the committee promises shocking, never-before-seen video with substantial new evidence to show the American people how democracy was on the brink of disaster. The attack involves several Central New Yorkers. News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan sharing the status of their criminal cases.
Within hours of the attack, the FBI had photos of Albert Sharpelli from Syracuse among the mob inside the Capitol. Within days, he admitted his, quote, little adventure to the FBI. He said he regrets it, but still faces 2 charges and is due back in court this summer. Months after the attack, FBI agents searched the Eastwood home of Matthew Green, who prosecutors say is a far-right Proud Boy, accused of helping to coordinate the ambush. Photos show Green holding a riot shield, stolen from police, used to break a window. Green pleaded guilty, used his March sentencing date to ask the judge to get out of jail temporarily, and is awaiting a new day to find out how long he'll spend in prison. It could be 20 years. He's also agreed to cooperate and help investigators. The mother and son duo, accused of helping steal House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's laptop, have pled not guilty. They'll be back in court later this month, facing 20 years in prison. Richard Watrous from Homer was captured on surveillance video entering the Capitol through the upper house door the afternoon of the riot. He left, but entered a second time. In April, he pled guilty to 1 count and was sentenced to 2 weeks in jail, some home confinement, 36 months probation, and fines, $500 of which will be paid to the architect of the Capitol for damages. Eric Beauchesne of Utica, one of the first people to break in, fired his lawyer last month and will represent himself at his next court date next month.
Still needs help. There are more than 300 people photographed at the Capitol that day, not yet named.